Okay, have a little bit of water build up. See the red? That means there's water in there. So I'm going to go ahead and correct that right now in the field. Went ahead and used some pliers with some tape on it to help so don't scratch it. Got a box under it. Have to shut off the diesel. Forgot about that. Just go ahead and take it out like that. Clean off the cap, the ring right there, a little dirty. Clean this out. Let's go ahead and stuff a bunch in there, paper towels. Give it a couple turns. Upside down. Clean most of it out. Take this off, make sure it's clean. That looks pretty good. Put this back in there. Make sure the spring is clean. Put that in, put the spring in, make sure the spring's in there right. Turn the gas back on. Get the diesel fuel going. Turn the key on so it pumps. It's filling up with diesel. The ring's staying down. Okay, filled up with diesel. The ring's down. That means, see if I can turn this to me over here. I'll just do this. Went ahead and cleaned out the filter real quick. There was water condensation in it. Did it in the field. Only took a few minutes. Put it back on. Everything's looking good. I'm good to go.